Find the detailed safety and application information for each Pesti Smart Pest Plan shipment on the included pesticide label and in the step-by-step instructions booklet that arrives with every order. Each pesticide label contains the legal instructions, active ingredient concentrations, signal words, personal protective equipment guidance, first aid steps, environmental precautions, and approved use sites. Read the label before you open any container and follow the directions exactly, because the label is the law and the safest path to effective pest control. The step-by-step instructions booklet supplements the label with application sequencing, mixing tips, nozzle selection guidance, and recommended application rates presented in plain language, so you can follow without visuals. When mixing, measure liquids using a marked container and add chemicals to water rather than the other way around to reduce splashing. Use layered personal protective equipment, including gloves, eye protection, and a long-sleeve shirt or coveralls, and wash exposed clothing separately after use. Store products in their original containers, locked away from children and pets, and dispose of empty containers per label directions to prevent contamination. The most common mistake is skipping the label and relying on memory or online summaries, which can lead to over-application or misuse. Always read the included label and the booklet before you start. A second frequent issue is improper mixing ratios, because people guess or use household measuring tools. Fix this by using a dedicated measuring jug with clear markings and follow the booklet proportions precisely. A third problem is inadequate protective gear or re-entry intervals, which risks exposure. Correct that by following the signal word guidance on the label, wearing the recommended protective items, and respecting any re-entry or restricted use times stated in the booklet. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and provide a discussion community where people share experiences and ask questions about projects and products. We help contractors find work and homeowners find expertise, while giving everyone a place to discuss product safety and application tips like those included with Pesti Smart Pest Plan shipments.